Light Life Gimme Lean Vegan Sausage Burger.
Today I'm doing something a little different. I got another package of Light Life Gimme Lean Veggie Sausage, and I'm going to make it a patty to fit this hamburger bread, this onion bread.
Welcome to Vegan Kiwis to Pistachio.
So the first thing we need to do is, I just finished cutting it open. You have to have clean hands for this, that's without saying. And you need to just kind of peel it off the packaging. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make it into a ball. Press it down. I'm using the parchment paper because I don't want it to stick to my countertops. It takes a couple minutes. I'm just going to warm this up in the frying pan with a little bit of oil so it doesn't stick too badly. And it will be fine, now you see, it's pretty close to the same diameter. Now I'm going to wash my hands and move it over to the frying pan. I like to use extra virgin olive oil, so I'm using this brand. The frying pan's right here. You don't need much. If you've got too much, you could always take a towel and dab it. And then what you do is you peel this off by rolling off like this. Just lay it on the middle and turn on our heat on high. Give a chance for the frying pan to catch up. Relatively a simple lunch. Shouldn't take you more than 20 minutes total. This is 100% French natural yellow mustard. This is vegan. If you're not sure, go on the PETA website and they will tell you all the products which are vegan. Healthy amount. So as my tomato sauce, I'm using paste chunky salsa. It's medium strength, so it's going to have a nice bite. Now to give it a little bit more of a vegan look, what we're going to do is we're going to add some romaine hearts from Taylor's Farm. I just got this today at Sam's Club. One large lick should probably work. Get it wet, clean it off, take some scissors and cut it off. Like, you see how that just fell right down? Take the other half and do like that. Then the sausage will lay in the middle and it'll make a nice sandwich. Now if you were curious what kind of bread it was, onion bread. It's onion bread that I got at Sam's Club. Okay, we're going to flip this again. I can hear the frying pan getting warm, and you have to use a metal spatula. See, it's got some texture now, you can really see the difference. Let me see if I can move it up a little bit. We're going to do the same thing for the other side, and we're going to use it in our sandwich. It's got these delicious tomatoes, so what we're going to do is I'm going to dice them. And we'll just stick them on top. So here is the second side. You can see how it's beautiful. This is the top side, so this is ready. Just turn off the heat. Move this off the middle, otherwise it'll keep cooking. And grab this, follow me to the plate. I'm laying this sausage on top. And this is definitely restaurant worthy. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut a piece of it. You have the lettuce, the mustard, really a delicious flavor. Thank you for watching this quick lunch. And as you can see, it took just a few minutes to shoot it. It took that long preparation wise. You just pull it out of the tube, stick it on top of your frying pan, cook it right away. You have an instant meal, you have plenty of protein because it's made of soy. You have your vegetables and your tomatoes.
Thank you for watching. If you like this channel, please subscribe.